1993 F-150 Lightning 5.8 liter V8 Windsor. Beautiful truck. One of the cleanest Lightnings you'll see, and one of the first that they came out with. Nice red color. You never seen the rain. Anyways, there's two catalytic converters on it. One there, one there, right there. Then it comes into a factory H pipe. And then what we did is we continued it, true dual, out the side, right there. Just like the new Lightnings. Into dual 4-inch angle cut tips, right there. That's the look we were going for, he wanted. So we said, we can make it happen. And we did. I'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. So we got a 2000 Ford F-150 Lightning Harley Davidson edition. Really beautiful truck. Had some glass packs on it. He brought it to us. So this is what we did on it. We straight piped it for him, true dual. It's got 4 factory converters on it. 2 there, 2 there. Then you can see the piping there and there. Then we took the 2 resonators out, or glass packs that were on it. There were 2. It was too quiet. He didn't like it. I don't blame him. So we took them out and true dualed it all the way back into his existing tips. Right there. Out the side, as you guys can see. There's the factory tips that come on these Lightnings. We didn't want to change that yet. They're still good, so we didn't take them out for them. Maybe later down the road we'll put some tips on it. We'll see. But that's what it is, as you guys can see. Ford Lightning, straight pipe. 93 Ford Lightning. And this is all the stuff we cut off of it right there. 2 magnet packs, true duals all the way back. It was way too quiet. So this is what it sounds like now. Go ahead. Much better. F-150. Oh, it sounds so good. Again. 112. Heck yeah. Go ahead and back it out. That is a really nice, sharp truck. Tell me where you can find one this clean. Look at the bed. It's never had anything in it. Look at that thing. It's just mint. It's screaming, man. That's with original cats. Imagine if he puts high flow cats on it. Oh, baby. There it is. Nice and red. Ford Lightning. So good. There's sound decibels on it, guys. 108, and it's all the way there, so it's probably about 112 because it's all the way on the other side. Yeah, it's awesome. I like it, man. It's mint. Really clean. Ford Lightning, baby. Enjoy it, guys. For lightning straight pipes. And windy today. Yeah. Nice. 4 lightning supercharged.